All right, it is Friday, approximately 1 week post-op. Here's our sexy piercings and our chicken. Stage 1 external apparatus. Now, they tell me that she'll bear a tiny bit of weight on it, and she flexes her legs and does all the stretching, but unfortunately she will not walk on it. And that just angers me. But that's okay. You're gonna be a wuss, that's fine.
She'll try to put pressure on it. Like if she wants to crawl up on something, she'll put it up there. She'll start to... Yeah, look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there
Okay,
you go.
well, she's using it.
Yeah, she'll use it to balance. Oh, yeah, there you're hanging
Maybe
on.
because it's just so heavy. I can't pick it up because it's got all the lead and metal in it.
Yeah, she's hanging on. See?
Very good. Well, she is using it. I just thought I would see her walking around in here.
Yeah.
Maybe do a dance for me, something really cool. But all right. Well, that's it for now. 1 week post-op. Chicken's doing well. No sign of infection or problems in that leg. Everything's good. Something you want to tell us here? Piercings are not fun. All right, that's it.